Innovation Day of Krannich is such a great thing because we can network together, we can exchange together.
Krannich Innovation Day is always nice. A lot of people here interested in everything.
Yeah, it was a really great event. I'm really thankful for Krannich to bring so many people together here in one place.
I think it's a good event for represent our products, but also for meeting our customers and maybe new customers.
This is a kind of new market for us, so it's really a perfect opportunity to meet customers, local clients, but also the colleagues from Krannich. So for us, it's very useful.
Split is really nice. I enjoyed really. It's my first time here and it's my first time here in Croatia to represent Exitec. The event was great. It was a good experience for me.
The hotel is fantastic. It's my first time in Split and also in Croatia. I find it a wonderful country.
Split is a wonderful city. The beach is really nice. The sea is nice. The weather is good. It was really a pleasure for Cargo to join this event. Well organized by Krannich.
We are very happy and proud to be here in Croatia and contribute to the market development in PV industry with our innovative products.
The best outcome is to have local and regional presence to the customers, investors and all stakeholders.
As always, it's a very interesting market here in Croatia, and I was really happy to talk to so many people, understanding the needs of the installers here in Croatia, which is really good.
Cooperation with Krannich, very important worldwide distributor and our partner. We strongly believe that we will develop the Croatian market together and it will be a great success.
Krannich Innovation Days are really great for us. We are experienced with them because Krannich is doing that also outside Croatia and other regions.
Big thanks to Krannich to be here. It was really great to be present here and to meet all our partners from the region.
These types of events always help us to reach our customer base. So I want to thank Krannich for inviting us one more year. Thank you so much.